gotta slow down. You wanna come on? I got my money right standing up. Louis V down, I'm putting on the stuff. Cruise through the town, double our truck. I'm in the backseat, I'm rolling the stuff. I made one comment, the show pull up. I remember time I went down on my luck, down on my luck, down on my leg. Got on my ass when it got in my.
Mula gang, what's the word, squad? You know what I mean? We back with another late night, love you dig. I'm on the way to the, you know, I ain't even gonna say what I'm on the way to, man. We sliding through, man. We going through, man, you know? Who gonna be there by the time my bag gone? Got the police? Nope. Nope, it's not. I kind of like how this shit, like how the song right there just look raw. I don't know. It's different shit, I guess. I don't know. I got the digital dash. I put the bitch in the passenger. Yeah. Motorcycle scared the shit out of me. Yeah. Play with that engine like I play with that Porsche. No doubt. Fuck is you talking about? For now. Play with that engine like I play with that Porsche. Can't play with both of them. Yeah. Gotta keep them screaming. You know what I mean? You gotta keep both of them screaming. Yeah. The engine and the gear. Yeah. They ain't screaming. You ain't getting down. And if you ain't getting down, what's the point of getting down? You feel me? Do you feel me though? Skate. Motherfucker, I think ain't Lowry Steakhouse up here right now? Yeah, it's right there. Ain't nobody finna crash into your punk ass, boy. Beverly Center right there. I don't even been in that bitch a few times. I don't like going to malls no more. You know what I'm saying? You know why? Because the nigga got cliz out and I ain't used to that shit. I ain't never been that type of nigga. I always been the low key, you know? And I'm still like that. But I just don't like malls, bro. I don't like niggas watching me. I don't like being in hell, nah. Feel me? If I'm on Rodeo, it's different. Yeah, mall, hell no. I go to the store all day. I know exactly what store I want to go to. And you in that mall, you got to get out the mall. You don't just got to get out the store. You got to get out the mall. I'm cool. Got to get out the store. Then you got to get out the mall. Then you got to run. Then you got to drive. Like, I'm cool on that shit. That bitch making noise even when I'm, man, I ain't even, what? play with that engine, he bullshit, folks. What he got going? Just a little bit. I'm just trying to warm it up. That's all I'm trying to do, folks. I'm trying to get over Mr. Asian man driving a minivan. Braking and shit. Drive that car, boy. Slide that motherfucker. Soccer mom. Soccer dad. Stupid ass. Stay at home dad driving minivan looking at him. Nah, I'm just playing. Damn. What that was? Couldn't even see. Should have drove with his big nose long. I don't know what I'll be talking about, man. I'll just be high. Oh, that's a little GLC. That's cute. That's cute. Super cute. Damn. Crazy part is I'm not even done with that bit. I think I might do something right before I leave to Miami. I might do something else to the exhaust. I might get a brand new exhaust on that bitch. That's what one thing I might do before I leave. Right before I leave, get about yeah. Might spend it, you know what I'm saying? Nothing too crazy, but I might straight pipe it or something. I don't know. Nothing. I don't want nothing ridiculous, folks. So I might not do that. I want it to be louder, but I don't want that shit to be ridiculous. Like, motherfucking police hear me from down the block. They like, oh no, we can't allow that in our city. I don't want that, folks. I do not want that at all, folks. So please, I'ma literally tell her, I'm finna DM their ass right after this. After I get done with this POV, DM their ass instantly. I want something loud, but not too loud, bro. Tell their ass I want as loud as you can go without being too loud. You get what I'm talking about? No fucking cap. I'm finna break on their ass. They gonna be like, damn, what happened? I ain't gonna lie, that fucking shit. That paddle shit, the shit hard as hell with one hand. I told y'all I knew what I was doing. I know how to spit that hoe. I know how to spit that hoe. Now I don't give a fuck. But the sensor's so sensitive that when I speed up that fast though, that bitch just be stopping, bro. I was just doing that shit the other day off camera. That bitch just stopped, and when I got the phone plugged in, you feel me? But I think I know where I'm at, so I might just go ahead and unplug that shit. Let's see. Hey, white girl. I know the neighbors mad at me. I know them neighbors gonna be mad at me. It's a nice ass house, and that bitch walk around naked with the Lord have mercy. I swear to God on everything I love, bro. She was in a nice ass house on the corner of the main street, shorty, and was half naked walking around the crib. I'm talking about bra panties, ass out. I don't know. That's why I'm saying I can never have no crib like on the street like that. What the fuck? Damn. This bitch powerful to the mother sucker. Fuck. What you doing, lady? Your light not even green. You looking at me like I'm crazy. Fuck, you don't say walk, bitch. What the hell is he doing? Driving in both lanes? What the fuck? What kind of shit is that, bro? He's a goofy goober on, bro. Last time y'all heard that shit, goofy goober. You're a goofy goober, yeah. We're all goofy goobers, yeah. Stupid ass. Y'all hear that iCarly ass song in the background? Move out the way, y'all ass better